There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Charger Daytona in Tour Red. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, projector LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, Daytona decals, satin black one-piece performance spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, heated second row seating, power sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 7007A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.